In the heart of one of nature's most destructive forces lies a surreal region of calm, the eye of the hurricane. While outside, powerful winds tear through cities and landscapes, inside the eye, a momentary peace prevails, revealing a rare, almost eerie calmness. Today, we're diving into 5 incredible moments from inside the eye of hurricanes, capturing awe-inspiring and rare footage. Stay until the end to witness some of the most breathtaking and unbelievable scenes ever filmed from inside these monster storms. Number 5. Noah's Journey Through Hurricane Florence. Our first entry takes us inside one of the most devastating storms of 2018, Hurricane Florence. Scientists aboard a plane from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, ventured straight into the heart of the storm, risking their lives to gather vital data. As the plane sliced through the hurricane, the team caught a brief, jaw-dropping glimpse of the eye of the storm. The footage is nothing short of spectacular. From within the eye, they observed a smooth ring of clouds, towering high into the sky. This is the Eyewall, where the storm's fiercest winds and heaviest rains exist. The NOAA's mission to gather data inside hurricanes helps provide critical information to predict storm paths and impacts, potentially saving countless lives. As you watch this incredible footage, remember, these brave scientists are right in the middle of nature's most violent forces. Number 4. Hurricane Michael, a rare glimpse of sunshine. In October 2018, Hurricane Michael unleashed its fury on the Florida Panhandle, becoming one of the strongest storms ever to hit the U.S. mainland. But amid the chaos, one resident, Stefan Melendez, witnessed something incredible. As the eye of the storm passed directly over his house, Stefan ventured outside and captured a rare, serene scene. Imagine it. Moments before, violent winds were battering the house, trees were being uprooted, and the rain was relentless. Suddenly, silence. Above, the sun breaks through the clouds, revealing an eerie moment of peace amidst the devastation. Stefan captures footage of the blue skies and sunshine overhead, an unusual and temporary calm. But this calm wouldn't last long, as the second half of the storm, the Eyewall, was closing in fast. The Eyewall contains the most violent winds of the storm, and anyone caught outside during this transition is in grave danger. As stunning as the eye is, Stefan needs to head inside quickly, because the strongest part of the storm is coming back, faster and more furious than before. This moment of calm is only a temporary illusion of safety. Number 3. Time-lapse hurricane flight. Flying directly through the heart of a hurricane isn't for the faint-hearted, but it's a routine mission for NOAA's hurricane hunters. In this next clip, we have time-lapse footage from a mission where scientists flew deep into the storm. As the footage progresses, we witness the eerie transition from the chaotic storm bands into the smooth, quiet eye. What makes this clip particularly interesting is the perspective it gives. You can see how quickly conditions can change from violent turbulence to an almost surreal calmness as the eye approaches. This time-lapse provides a unique insight into just how challenging it is to navigate inside a hurricane. As the plane moves closer to the eye, the winds outside batter the aircraft, but once inside, it's like entering another world. Everything stops, and the blue sky above contrasts sharply with the fierce storms that encircle it. The footage from this mission gives a front-row view of the Eyewall, showcasing the towering walls of clouds that form this powerful ring of destruction. Number 2. Hurricane Irma, winds at the edge. Our second entry takes us to one of the most ferocious hurricanes in recent history, Hurricane Irma. NOAA scientists once again took to the skies to gather crucial data from the storm. As they approached the Eyewall, the winds began to pick up, with speeds that would tear apart anything in their path. Hurricane Irma was a Category 5 storm, and the winds within its Eyewall were some of the most destructive ever recorded. At the heart of this chaos, We see footage that gives us an unprecedented look at the true power of these storms. Footage shows the plane bouncing heavily in the wind as it enters the storm's eye. The camera focuses on the thick clouds that form the towering walls of the eye. For those on the ground, the eyewall represents the most dangerous part of the storm. Wind speeds reach their peak here, and the torrential rains can cause massive flooding. The calm inside the eye might make people think the storm is over, but those in the path of the eyewall soon learn that the worst is still to come. Number 1. U.S. Air Force flight into Hurricane Florence. And now, for our most breathtaking moment yet, inside the eye of Hurricane Florence. In this mission, the U.S. Air Force flew their CH-130 aircraft straight into the storm. Their goal? To gather data for the National Hurricane Center to ensure people had the most accurate, up-to-date information before the hurricane made landfall. As the plane approaches the eyewall, the team records some of the best footage ever captured from inside a hurricane. What makes this moment so incredible is the clarity and scale of the storm. The eyewall rises like a wall of clouds stretching into the heavens, while the eye itself is a zone of eerie calm, surrounded by pure chaos. Inside the eye, the Air Force crew witnesses one of nature's most impressive phenomena, a storm so large and powerful that it's nearly impossible to fathom its destructive potential. And yet, here in the middle of it all, there is peace. The footage from Hurricane Florence is legendary, not only for its scientific value but for the incredible beauty of the eye. This footage reminds us that nature's most terrifying forces can also be strangely beautiful. From hurricanes that have shaped history to the brave men and women who venture into these storms, the eye of a hurricane is truly one of the most remarkable places on Earth. These 5 moments show us just how powerful, dangerous, and breathtaking nature can be. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an incredible look at the forces shaping our world. Thank you for watching and stay safe.